than all of you put together?
No, you won't. We're
Bullshit.
Look at that. Tom, look at that.
That's enough. That doesn't matter.
You got the jump on him.
No, we're done. Let's go.
Bull, you've got him.
Eat the dog food.
Next one. Alright, next one.
He's on, mate. He's true blue. Piss pot through and through. Cheer it, lads!
The knee, where else is injured? Trying to fuck Jansen up, just trying to rub against his tyre and just fucked myself up, just straight over the handlebars. Fucked me.
Look at it, look at it.
What's your date?
10th of November, 4:46.
Right. 10th, 11th, we've just arrived at the third house in the fridge. Everyone's just about fucked, including Dylan's dad. Dylan's dad is really fucked.
Typical legend.
Yeah, it's good. It's for the video. It's for the video.
We got another two stops. And I don't reckon half the people are going to make it. I'm looking at Mitch Rehberger.
Sign out.
I've been looking at Mitch Rehberger. Right in front of me looking like an idiot.
What's the sign out there?
You're the one on camera, Karen. You're the fucking one on camera.
Yeah, fuck yeah! Wow!
Yeah!
Let me breathe you in and break the words in your mouth. Inside your shit.